Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view files side by side. Let's get started. Right now, I have only one file in my taskbar. This is the only file visible. If I have two or more files, how can I compare them? So I'll immediately create a new file using the shortcut Ctrl-N. After pressing Ctrl-N, I've created a new file called Book2. Now if I go to the View tab, you'll notice an option on the right-hand side labeled View Side by Side. Clicking on it compares these two files horizontally even though the tabs and everything else are repeated. Clicking on View Side by Side enables synchronous scrolling, where scrolling in one file also scrolls the other. The synchronization feature facilitates comparing row numbers side by side. Typically, we don't compare files horizontally, but rather vertically. How do we compare files in a vertical manner? By going to the View tab and selecting the Arrange All option. Within Arrange All, there are four options given: tiled, horizontal, vertical, and cascade. If you observe, the option selected is currently horizontal. I'll now switch to the vertical option by clicking vertical and then click OK. Now, the files are arranged side by side in a vertical view. Scrolling one file will simultaneously scroll the other, facilitating comparison. If I don't want synchronous scrolling, I can remove that option. Within the options, the second one is synchronous scrolling. Let's remove that. Now, scrolling in one window won't affect the other. Each window scrolls independently. What if there are more than two files? Let me create two more files by pressing Ctrl-N twice. In the taskbar, you'll notice I now have four files open. How can I view all four Excel files in the same window? The process is straightforward. Expand one file, go to View, select Arrange All, and then choose the first option. Selecting Tiled ensures an equal allocation of space for all open files. Click OK, and now you can view all four files side by side. The benefit is it allows for easy comparison, data viewing, importing, exporting, and even copying data from one file to another. If you wish to work on just a few files, simply close the unwanted ones. Alternatively, you can cascade them by going to the View tab, selecting Arrange All, and choosing Cascade. Disarrange the files one behind the other. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.